we're now going to take a quick look at some additional elements that we can use to enhance the expressions and the feelings and the emotions of our characters. And these are things you may or may not have seen in anime and manga, which really are graphic additions that help to reinforce a particular feeling or emotion. The first thing we're going to do on the first image here to the left is we're going to add little lines to the cheeks of the character. And really, this is a way to imply blushing. They can be lines, they can be zigzag shapes, whatever the case may be. Really, you're just trying to imply that the character is blushing. And to enhance that even further still, I did go ahead and add in little hearts in the eyes. So the character seems to be in love, a common time for people to blush. In the second image, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little teardrop. It can be a small drop, a big drop, it could even be a few drops if you want. And what this does is it helps to reinforce the feeling or the emotion of being stressed out or worried. And it really is quite an effective graphic tool. And then the last image, what we're going to do is simply draw straight lines down from the closed eyes to indicate crying. And really, this is also very common in anime and manga. And you can just kind of extend this down in a particular way with spikes, or you can create little water type effects to show that the character is crying. But really, you want to be very clear in expressing these parallel lines coming down from the eyes to indicate that the character is themselves crying. Do take some time to go and research and look through manga and anime and see more of these additional elements that are used to enhance the expression. That is the end of this lesson, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming facial expression demos.